Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable status LED light on your TP-Link Tapo C210. Let's get started. So basically, LED lights is this green dot, and it's really convenient to check whether you're filming or not. Because if it lights up green, then you're filming at the moment. But it can be really triggering during the night. So to disable it, just simply open this Tapo application and then choose settings on the upper right corner. And here we just need to select this status LED and tap on the switcher to disable. And now we have no green light, but it's still recording and we can check it right here on the main screen. If you want to bring it back, just simply tap on the switcher once more and here it is. So that was all for now. Hope this video was useful for you. And thank you so much for watching.